Letty Clapp, are you out there? Cliff Andrews, are you out there? Kevin K 208, are you out there? Come on, people, sign in. See, that's the problem with this. It's not generating enough interest. I mean, everybody wants to win, but nobody's helping me out with my quest here for more uh, members and more subscribers and more thumbs ups and more views and that stuff. My viewership has dropped off tremendously. I used to get 400, 500 views in the first few hours of my posting my videos. Now I'm lucky if I get 120 or 130 in 24 hours. So, yeah, I don't know why I didn't get a notice that I was live. Let's see what I got on here. Oh, I got a light. I don't need that. That's right. Tyrone's got to play by the rules, just like everybody else did. What was that about the puppies? I missed it. Let me click here and see what this does. Oh, I had to click with my finger. Let's see, I got top chat, live chat. All messages are visible. All right, I'm on live chat now. I'm showing 11 people online with only 7 thumbs up. So please, you new 4 that just logged in, please let me know you're online and don't forget to hit the thumbs up. That stuff really counts for me. It helps. We're going to spin the wheel here in just about 12 or 13 minutes and see who the winner is. I don't see Tony and Leanne out there. Are you guys on? Yeah, I turned my clocks ahead back on Friday. Yeah, you don't have to be a member to get on the wheel, but if you're a member, you get on the wheel automatically.